Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to introduce you guys to the Q2 Pro by Bod Brad. Now this is a small little travel massager. It's quiet, it's portable, and it does have some very unique features which we're going to go through in this video. So stay tuned and wait till the end. So the first thing, guys, when we look at this box, I'm just going to kind of read you out some brief information. So this has a hot and cold feature, which I'm going to get back to this because this is really unique. This is very small and portable, which is really nice. It has a 5-year battery life. There's 5 adjustable speeds, and it is quiet and powerful. Now, the only other thing I wanted you guys to take a look at is here on the back of the box, there's quite a bit of information. So the first thing is it just has a diagram. It'll tell you where the charging port is, the power plug, and everything else. It says that it's your pocket-sized partner, quality treatment anytime, anywhere. Very quiet and can hardly hear it. Now this is created by and developed by physical therapists. They have 60 years of experience, and this brand itself has been going on for the last 13 years. At the bottom here you have a warning, so if you have any kind of medical conditions, I would suggest you guys check out this website, so www.p65warnings.ca.gov. And when we look here at the bottom, you're going to see the information for what comes in the box. So what comes included, you're going to get a mini massage gun, a Type-C charging cable, a carrying case, 5 massage heads, a user manual, and the only other 2 important things I want to touch on is the battery. So the battery information here is it's 11.1 volts and the battery capacity is 2500 milliamps and the charging time is 210 minutes. Now it does last you a very long time. Then you also have the contact information in case you need any help or support here on the right hand side of the box. Okay, so let's get into the opening of the product now. So once you open the box, you're greeted with this really nice case. And this is a hard shell case. It has the brand right on it, the Bod Brad. And you can see it's kind of like engraved in there. It's shiny. It looks really nice. Has the strap here in case you want to hold it onto something. And you can see it does protect what's in it very, very well. So let's open it up. All right, so inside the bag here at the top, we're going to be greeted with the user manual, which I haven't opened yet. And there's a couple of rings in here as well. I guess these are replacement parts. And up here you also get the USB-C charging cable. So it's USB, like the regular USB-A to USB-C, which is great. It's using the newer cables. Now inside in terms of the product, so these are the 5 heads, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now each one of these heads just connects to the device very easily by pushing it into the slot. I'm just showing you guys what the heads look like. This is the first one. This one is, it's almost like a ball. I think this one comes on a lot of different brands. Sorry guys, just hard to get them out. So this one is like a small little rubber ball. Feels nice. It is stiff, like it is hard, which it's meant to be, so that's good. This one I haven't seen before. It kind of looks like a little plunger almost, but again, it is stiff, it is hard. Only the top piece here has a little bit of give. You can push on it. Then you have this one over here, which I believe this one is the one that you want to use kind of in between your spine or where you have bones, so it kind of doesn't hurt as much. So it just kind of goes around the bones. So nice and handy to have this one. And then this big guy here, so this is kind of the unique feature of this, which is what I really liked. So this mechanism here has 2 buttons. It has a cold and it has a hot. And this metal plate at the top will actually go into that temperature when it's massaging you, and it feels really, really good. So same adapter piece. If you push the button, which I'm going to show you, if you push and hold, there we go. So this is the first mode for the hot, so it's like a yellow, and you can see like the little steam symbol. If you push it again, then it turns red. Now this is going to be as hot as it gets. And you can already start to feel how hot it is. It gets really hot very fast. The same with the cold. If I press this and hold, now it's off. Press this one and hold. That's the first mode of the cold. And you can kind of hear the fans going on inside. So yeah, you can feel it starting to get cold already. It's very, very fast. And if you press it again, this is the coldest it'll get. So when it turns blue. And you can kind of hear the fans going on there. But if you touch it, it feels so cold right now. Really cool. Okay, now the device itself. It has a nice branding right here, Bod Brad. There's the connector piece. At the top, you just have some vents, like holes for the vents. We'll get to that in a second. So here at the bottom, you have your charging port, the USB-C. And then here on the back, you have your power. So if you press this button in and hold it, this is the lowest setting you can see in the blue. I know it's a little bit harder to see, but that's the lowest setting. And as you continue to press the power gets higher and higher. And like the box said, you have 5 modes. And this is the fastest it goes. You can see that thing is really going. And if you press it one more time, this will go to the slowest. Okay. So in terms of quality, guys, so you can see that this part here, top and bottom, is like a shiny plastic. But the rest of this is all silicone, and it's a really nice feeling silicone. It's meant to kind of hold in your hand like this with one hand, and you can see the grip is really nice. So really well thought out, and in terms of quality, it feels really, really good in your hand. Okay, so in terms of now connecting the heads to this piece, it's very simple. You take any one of these heads, and what you're going to do is you're going to press it in, and then you're just going to twist it, and you're going to feel that it'll kind of just go into place. There we go, nice and sturdy. And then again, you just push the power, hold it down a little bit, and then you can go ahead and give yourself a nice massage. And you can see this is on the lowest level, and it's really, I don't know how well you can see it, but it's doing a really, really good job. I can really feel it in the wrist. So this head over here, I think, is more of like a pinpoint head. So again, you put it on, you screw it until you get it nice and tight. And then again, you hold and press until it turns on. And if you're having like a specific pain, I'm just gonna say, I don't know, here on my forearm, if you're really feeling that pain here, like this is just more precise and gives you that feeling in that one specific area. And it does feel really, really good. And keep in mind, guys, this is on the lower settings. I'm not even going on the higher settings yet. This is only on level 2. And I know that this is the one that you guys really want to know about. So again, same thing, twist it on until it's nice and tight. There we go. Now I like it on the hot. It does get really cold, but I do like the heat better. So I'm going to turn it on. I'm going to go straight to the hot. And I think this is more of like an overall piece. Like this one, you can pretty much massage anywhere you want at any time. So I'm just going to turn it on. There we go. So right now I'm on level 1. This is the lowest. So again, I'm just going to kind of go through my forearm here. And you can really, really feel the heat. Like I can feel it going all the way up. Everywhere this piece touches, it gets hot. And I'm just going to go through the speeds here so you can see. So right now I'm on speed 3. And And you can see how strong this little device is. It's so good. I'm going to go on to speed 4. And I'm not pressing too hard. I'm just kind of putting it up against my skin and letting it do its thing. But you can see how strong it is. And I'm going to go on to speed number 5. So this is the strongest. And again, you get that nice massaging feeling plus that really nice heat that goes all the way through. So, again, really great product. I think they did an absolutely fantastic job with this. I highly recommend it if you guys are looking for something that's portable that you guys can take with you. It has everything you need in this one little case. And yeah, check it out. I'm going to leave it in the description down below in case you guys are looking for one for yourself. And they do come in different colors, which is really nice. So that brings us to the end of this episode, guys. If you like what you saw, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And we'll catch you guys on the next one.